and manual mode because we wanna go very high on the revs, and that's gonna be third gear. Third gear is on now. Hit start, logging. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. What's up, guys? Hope you're all doing well. Well, we're gonna start this video here. This is the process of development of the e-tuners software on my A7 Stage 2 Plus. Right now we are without the water methanol injection, and the reason for that is because we're trying to reach the limits of the fuel in the car before we can introduce the water methanol injection. And I'm gonna try to do it a little bit different this time. I have another phone here which is gonna be recording the draggy from 100 to 200 kilometers an hour. We're gonna start at the third gear, 2000 RPM, and that's gonna grow into the probably mid to the end of the fifth gear. We're gonna try to do it as long as possible to get the most data from the car. I have the VCDS here with some of the data that we're gonna be recording for this video and for this data log. And as soon as I'm ready for this, I'm gonna enable the draggy, which is prepared right now. Yeah, it is. So we're gonna enable the draggy and see what numbers. Right now, the car is performing on its best, but the last data log that I've done showed that the ignition was pulling. The ignition was pulling time quite hard. So it means that we may be reaching the limits of the fuel. In Brazil here, especially where I live, because I live in the countryside, there's no premium or racing fuel available. So we are forced to use what we'll call the common gasoline, which is only 87 octanes. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video for a second here, and we're gonna get ready for the pull. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna put the draggy to record. My drag has been started. Let's put the car in dynamic and manual mode because we wanna go very high on the revs, and that's gonna be third gear. Third gear is on now. Hit start, logging. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. So that was it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and leave a comment below. Sorry for the accent, is because I'm using a mode to do some whitenings on my teeth, so it's kind of hard to speak like this. But anyways, stay tuned for more, and let me know if you want me to do more videos in English. I know that my English is not perfect, but I believe that you'll be able to understand me. All right, catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.